It went pa to a time na sinabihan ako ng partner ko, "Ano ba yung ginagawa mo, pagkakitaan ba yan?"
Hi everyone! Welcome back to She's Built From Within podcast. My name is Daphne and I'll be your host for today's episode. Now our guest for today, isa na namang person na hinata ko lang today sa event namin. So currently we're here at the cohort graduation of Faith Works or Faith AI. And we're so lucky to be invited here as the sponsor of this event. Now, for this episode, dahil kinidnap ko lang to si Chini. Okay? So, what we're gonna talk about is her background as a freelancer and isa pang bagong venture niya. I'm so lucky to have met Chini since 2024 tayo kita, di ba?
Yes, yes,
Ayun. So, we met
2024.
2024 and then from then on, we've been working together in and out for events, for freelancing events, or mga kung ano-anong community collaborations. Yes. So, please help me welcome my dear friend, Chini Luarca.
Hi. Thank you, Miss Daphne, 'no. I know matagal mo na ako sinasabi.
Oo.
Oo, lagi mo sinasabi kailan ka aakyat?
Yes. Lagi ko ini-invite si Chini umakyat ng Tagaytay kasi we're both from Cavite.
Yes, yes.
So, I moved there 4 years ago. Ikaw ba? Since birth ka na sa Cavite?
Yeah, since birth
Wow.
talaga, I'm from Cavite, Bacoor, originally. Then I had a family, pero we relocated sa Noveleta, and then Tansa,
Oo,
di ba?
yun na yung final
Oo,
stop mo.
yes.
So far, nandun ka sa
So
Tansa.
far. Sana, final na.
Yeah. So, yan. So, since alam ko nasa tabi-tabi lang si
Mm.
Chini, lagi kong binibitbit.
Mm.
Tapos, one time, we also had a workshop together for
Yes.
oil pastel. So, enjoy na enjoy kami.
Yeah.
Kaya mas naging close kami. Thanks to Jomily for bringing Chini along dun sa workshop na yon.
Yes, super. As in, I never knew na nag-exist yung mga ganong workshop, no? Especially Upland, Cavite.
Yeah.
Kasi sabi ko nga, parang it's very, parang ang hirap, parang ano tawag doon, mag-reach out ng mga ganong klase ng workshop. Then, I was really blessed, no, na in-invite ako ni Jomely, na
Yeah.
sabi ko talaga, hindi ko talaga pagsisihan yung pagsama ko doon.
Right. And thanks to our dear
Na-enjoy ko
friend.
siya,
Yeah.
yes.
Bernadette,
Oo,
diba?
yeah. Thank you po, Ms.
Thank you, Bernadette
Yeah.
Ramirez, for being so generous.
The
and-
power of ano po talaga, no, networking.
Yes, yes. So, dun talaga. Ganun. But anyway, today, we're going to talk about how you got into freelancing. Kasi nung nagkakilala tayo sa isang event ng
Yes.
Canva.
Yeah, yes po.
Yun yung first meetup natin, 2024.
Yes po.
And then, ngayon ko nalaman na ang dami mo palang ginagawa sa buhay. Can you walk
Yes
me through
po.
ano ba talagang lahat ng ginagawa mo?
Nakakatawa tuloy ako. Honestly po kasi talaga, I never knew na I'll be in this kind of industry. Kasi growing up, traditional, from a family na very traditional also. Of course, yung nandun yung security na doktor, lawyer, mga ganyan. My sisters and I have one brother and then 6 sisters actually. I'm the 7th in our family, no? And most of them are all talagang parang in a way professional, graduated, then business, then some have been part of the government service. So, ganun yung parang setup. Then I also went to college nursing. Pero syempre, there are lots of struggles, yung mga unfortunate circumstances, no. We had financial difficulty nung nagka-college ako. Sabay kami ng kuya ko, no. And eventually, we had to stop and of course, we have to venture out in different ano. Pero I was able to have a family din. Ayan, so hindi ko naman pinagsisihan yung ganong naging ano 'no, setup ng choices ko. Though of course, hindi ko natapos yung college ko. And when I became a mom, I really thought I'm not belittling yung mga mothers or yung mga housewives. But I really thought nung time na yon na nagkaanak ako, wala ng other avenue. Like parang akala ko lang, okay, I'll be a homemaker, I'll be a housewife. It's okay naman, wala namang problem. Parang akala ko lang hanggang dun lang. Then, eventually, even though I'm a housewife, no, nagkasunod-sunod pa yung anak ko. I have 4 kids, no, and of course, ako lang din yung nag-aalaga sa mga bata. And then my partner is the one who's working. Siya yung financially capable. I was helping lang on the side, parang doing lang side hustles. Nagtinda ako ng mga merienda, ganyan, ng sapatos online. Then, there was this blessing kasi yung partner ko, napadala siya abroad. Parang training lang. Then, nung pabalik na siya, sabi ko, parang dito kasi talaga nag-start yung momentum, yung turning point. Yun, sabi ko, parang pinag-usapan namin, parang 2 months na lang yata na pauwi na siya. Training lang kasi talaga siya eh. Pero may konti siyang naipon. Ano kaya yung pwede nating business pag-uwi ko dyan? And, yung ka-work niya kasi nagpi-printing ng mga t-shirt, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi niya, "Gusto ko rin ng ganito, ganyan. Gusto ko rin ng printing." Kasi malakas yung mga t-shirt, eh. Sa company kasi, sa mga electronics company, ganyan, mga t-shirt. Then, pag-uwi niya, bumili siya printer. Turns out, hindi niya maasikaso.
Oo nga, paano
Oo,
nga naman yun, 'di ba?
kasi pag-uwi niya, diretso siya work.
Meron ulit. May work
Kasi
na
training
naman.
lang
Oo,
talaga
oo.
siya, eh. Trainee lang siya na pinadala
Okay.
sa abroad. Then may konting parang tumaas lang konti yung sahod niya. Pero pagdating dito, back to normal na naman. So yung konti niyang naipon, pinambili namin ng second hand na PC
Okay.
and then brand new na printer.
Okay.
So ako naman super on board. Alam mo yung parang alam ko lang na ako na yung magse-set up ng mga t-shirt, ako na
Yeah.
yung magfo-fold,
Yeah.
gano'n. Pag-uwi niya dito, hindi na nasimulan yung printing. Sabi ko, "Hindi puwede 'to, natenga yung printer." Eh, as in ano na ako no'n, as in I was like going 9 months housewife. Wala akong other, employment. Talagang naano ako sa bahay. Then it so happened na yung inupahan namin nung time na yun, katapat yung school, elementary school.
Okay,
As in tapat
perfect.
na tapat. Pero medyo compound kasi, pero as in tapat lang din naman yung gate. Sabi ko, "Hindi talaga puwede 'to, matetenga yung printer, matetenga yung PC." As in nag-self-study ako, tinanggal ko yung jalousie ng window namin. Do'n ako
Oh!
pumesto sa gilid ng jalousie, punesto ko yung printer
Printer.
do'n, punesto ko yung computer do'n, ta's nagpa-skill ako sa gate ng print, xerox, scan. Yun, ta's from there, 'di siyempre tapat ako ng school,
Yeah.
ako lang yung nagpi-print, 'di ang
Nice.
lakas.
Oo, oo.
Resume, lahat, hanggang sa may nagpagawa ng tarpaulin, mga invitations, ganyan. 'Di as in ako lang kasi talaga, eh, and it's really like super home base lang. Then from there, may approach sa'kin na mother, sabi niya, "Alam mo yung ginagawa mo, freelancing 'yan." Sabi ko, "Anong freelancing?" Sabi niya, "Freelancing, alam mo ba yung community na" that was a time I was able to learn about, community ni Mami MK.
Ay, FH Moms.
FH, okay
Yeah.
naman. Ayan, FH Moms 'to. That was the time na inintroduce sa'kin yun na isang kananay sa school, na
Okay.
eventually freelancer na pala siya.
Okay.
Okay, so sabi ko, "Ano ba yung freelancing?" Sabi kong gano'n. Sabi niya, "'Di yun." Explain siya. So, in-explore ko yung community ta's nagkaroon naman, it happened in a very good time kasi, pag-explore ko ng community, nag-offer si Ma'am MK ng free webinar, How to Start Working from Home, na 3 hours long bawat session, parang 3 session yun. Tsinaga ko siya talaga, tsinaga ko siya. It went pa to a time na sinabihan ako ng partner ko, "Ano ba yung ginagawa mo, pagkakitaan ba yan?" Ginaganon niya ako kasi nagpupuyat talaga ako para lang matapos ko yung webinar. Siyempre, nandun yung parang panghinaan ka ng loob kasi parang akala mo, parang saan ba 'to papunta? Parang gano'n, you're not really sure. Then, pandemic happened. Nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, talagang lahat nag-stop, 'di ba? That was the time na nagkaroon ako ng lakas ng loob na gamitin yung natutunan ko sa community. And then, lakas ng loob lang talaga and my, anong tawag dun, yung, um, experience ko sa printing kasi nagde-design na ako ng mga tarp, 'di ba,
Yeah.
ng mga invitation. Nilakasan ko lang yung loob ko, nag-apply ako ng international client sa Upwork. And nilakasan ko pa yung loob ko, nag-rate pa ako ng mataas, ng
Wow.
higher. 'Di ba, for a newbie minsan medyo maano yung rate nila, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Pero hindi, tinaasan ko yung rate ko. Before the pandemic started, I was hired.
Okay, cool.
So, pandemic, I was really like nung time na yun, sabi ko talaga, we are blessed. Kasi yung partner ko natigil sa work eh. Pinatigil sila sa company kasi electronics yung parang mga factory
Okay.
sa Cavite. So yun, pinatigil sila kasi nga pandemic, bawal pumasok, ganyan. Ako may work. Then, it was truly a blessing kasi alam mo yun, parang everything stopped. Then, di mo alam saan yung source of income mo and everything. Tapos, nagkataon pa, pati yung printing ko lumakas. Kasi yung ang tawag doon yung card, yung para ipapakita mo bago ka lumabas.
Yung vaccine card.
Isa pa,
Vaccination card.
hindi. Yung parang, yung bawal ka lumabas, isa lang yung pwedeng lumabas sa bahay nyo.
Anong tawag doon sa card? Hindi ko na alam.
Basta yun.
Pero nung pandemic,
Oo.
kailangan yun.
Ako lang yung
Pass yun.
nagla-laminate.
Ikaw lang may laminate.
Oo.
Okay.
Tapos from there, then long story short, I leveraged, kasi yung very first freelance gig ko talaga as a graphic designer,
Okay.
social media graphic designer, SMM/SFM. Yun yung na-leverage ko. Das lakas lang talaga ng loob after nung first client ko, parang after a few months lang nag-apply ulit ako, then natanggap ako. Then from there, natanggap ako as a designer, pero email designer. Even though I do not have idea yet. Yes, inano ko siya. Tas parang yun yung ginamit kong learning point ko, to be able to upskill. So that's the time na natutunan ko yung email marketing. Then
Galing.
nakuha ko yung niche nakuha ko siya, tapos yung email design nakuha ko rin siya, na sabi ko parang dito na talaga ako. Then, dahil nga super nag-enjoy ako dun sa skill na yon, at the same time, I saw the need na magturo. Kasi, nung ako yung nung ako yung nasa skill na yun, wala akong makitang resources how to learn that skill. So, meron lang nag-approach sa akin na isa pang community, na freelancing community also, kung pwede daw ba ako magturo for email design. Even though, I do not have that background yet na mag-coach. Pero I said yes. And it clicked. Talaga nag-click dun sa freelancing community. Even, dalawang community yun actually. And even up until now, yung community na yun, every time na, kasi ni-record nila tapos nilagay pala nila dun sa parang portal nila.
Okay.
So, every time na may manonood nung video, up until na mini-message nila ako,
Wow.
thank you kasi yung yung
Yeah.
video mo, nakatulong ganyan. And they even, parang naging upsell siya kasi some of them wanted pa one-on-one coaching.
Yeah. So, good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, good for you.
Good for
Diba?
me. So, talagang yun, na-offer ko siya. Then, dahil nga, syempre, tayo ay, I wanted to really network pa kasi I really feel like hindi enough yung lang knowledge mo eh. So, I started naman joining events. Nung una, online lang. Then, lakas ng loob lang ulit. Dahil syempre, FH Moms was really a big chunk of my freelancing journey to give back to the community. Nag-online volunteer ako. Then from there, online, tas nag-open ng on-site. Nag-on-site volunteer ako.
Okay, eto na, kagaya
Ito
nito.
na.
Yan. That's why we're here.
Yeah,
You're
and
surprise niya ako, nandito kayo.
Another long story short, no? From there, dahil sa pag-volunteer ko sa events ni FH Moms, one of the biggest role that I had was yung sa Get Hired. Because I was able to lead yung on-site team. And it was a team of 80 people.
Wow.
80 people.
Laki,
And that was the very first time ko talaga mag-lead ng team. Even though I do not have prior experience with events, ganyan. Pero siguro dahil nga I had the passion to really like serve and to really give back sa community. Parang yun yung naging fuel ko, yun yung nag-push sa akin. So that to be able to go to this other industry naman, the events. And just recently lang, I was able to train from one of the event managements, no? And yun din ang naging lakas ng loob ko to be able to really set up yung my own business, no? Yung Vine. So yun, grabe no? Yung transition, parang hindi connect, pero connect siya actually.
They are all connected.
Yeah,
Di ba sabi nga nila,
talaga.
the universe will align for you yung mga stars. Yung mga dati na imagine mo lang, if you think about it, if you declare it, if you attract it, then dahan-dahan pupunta sa'yo. And everything happened for a reason. 'di ba, kung hindi nangyari sa'yo nung college ka, hindi mo maabot yung level of grit, yung success, yung relentlessness mo up to this point. Kasi kung masyado kang comfortable,
Oo,
'di ba? Hindi mo
true,
maisip yun, eh.
true. Actually, yun din talaga, eh, parang I was not content with comfort.
Hmm,
Parang
right.
parang when I had my first freelancing, client, parang sabi ko, parang it's not enough na ito lang. Parang I also do not see the growth na parang dun lang ako.
Mm.
So, ano lang din, eh, faith and also yung, courage to really step out of the comfort zone. Yun talaga yung naging, pushing point ko to go beyond my limiting beliefs. Kasi yun, eh, limiting beliefs talaga, eh. Yun talaga yun. And, ayun, I'm also happy kasi I was able to meet, such as yourself po 'no, the community itself, yung talagang alam mo yun, I never thought na I'll be able to collaborate with, to work with 'no. Even yung mga speakers na I was just seeing online,
Yeah.
social media 'no, I was not able to imagine that I'll be coming face to face with them and really talk with them 'no. Sabi ko talagang, I was really able to really go a long way, pero in my perspective, hindi pa 'to yun, eh. Hindi pa 'to yun. Taray.
Wow, and very insightful yan,
Yeah.
Grabe yung relentlessness mo. Ayaw mo talagang give up,
Oo.
go lang ng go. Ito yung energy na, shall I say, very commendable. Kasi if I remember correctly, you have 4 kids.
Yeah, I have 4 kids.
You also have a partner.
Hmm.
You're running a business. You have a freelance, business. You're also coaching. Grabe, yung 24 hours mo, nama-manage mo
Parang
maigi.
kulang. I'm also active in church.
Oh, see,
So,
active pa.
kumbaga ano pa yun, something na I'm really proud to say because, I navigate around it, not the other way. Kumbaga, yung parang priorities ba.
Yeah.
And at the same time, yung you mentioned nga po, I have 4 kids. Isa din yun sa parang naging inspiration ko, eh. Kasi siyempre when I do not have any work back then, parang sabi ko, parang hindi ako okay na ito lang yung kaya ko mabigay sa kanila, 'no. Though siyempre yung partner ko nga is the one who's financially capable that time. Pero apat,
Yeah.
tapos ilan kami, 6 in total sa totoo
Yeah.
lang. Siyempre parang 'di ba in our economy, it's not enough 'no.
True.
Grabe yung traditional, yung parang employed, setup 'no, it's not always enough. Tapos yung time mo pa halos maubos na overtime, pero parang ganun lang. So sabi ko, hindi puwede 'to na parang ganito lang yung kaya mong ibigay, na kaya pa pala, that there's a lot of opportunities pala. Kaya nga, it also give me like, inspiration or strength to even tell others who ask me, "Paano ka nag-start freelancing?" Ganyan,
Mm.
ganyan. Or ano puwede mong masabi na tips, ganyan. Lagi ko lang sinasabi na hindi mo puwede kasing sabihin na, "This is for you," if you're just about the money, eh, 'di ba?
True.
Pero if you have a goal or a purpose, then this is for you. Kasi hindi nag-i-stop kasi sa money, eh,
True.
'di ba? Kasi if it's just money, wala, lahat tayo burnout na.
So,
'Di
magandang
ba?
sinabi mo
Oo.
yun. It's not just about the money. Finding your
Yes.
purpose is the most important thing.
True,
And
true.
if I may commend you, if I may just compliment
Ay,
you,
thank you.
paganda ka ng paganda, girl.
Ay, thank you.
Anong secret mo?
Siguro po confidence. Hindi, honestly po Miss Daphne, kasi when I was able to train nga for the events,
Mm.
dun siyempre naturuan tayo, eh, may
Mm.
nag-coach sa'tin. That's also the value of having a coach, eh, 'di ba? And even yung sa mga ibang events na nasasamahan ko, you really need to also kumbaga you need to project, eh, 'di ba? You need to project na if you are really confident with what you do, with your craft, it should be also shown to you outside. Kahit paano hindi naman needed na as in magparetoke or something, hindi naman needed yun, 'di ba? Kumbaga just present yourself na, very, presentable na. Presentable in a way. You really need to learn how to ano rin, eh, be, paano ba, visible na, ah yung feeling mo attractive ka in yourself, 'di ba? Pero yun din yung isa sa nilalabanan ko, Miss Daphne. Kasi hindi ako sanay, eh, parang nasanay lang kasi ako siguro dahil nga nasa bahay ako most of the time. Hindi ako sanay to really like, yung ano ba yung term nila, glam up.
Okay.
Hindi ako sanay. Pero I'm trying to learn little by little kahit yung mga simple, basic lang. Actually, just last week, Miss Daphne, natutunan kong gumamit ng primer.
Talaga? Congratulations! Big
As
milestone
in,
yun, Hindi rin
as
lahat ng
in.
babae kayang gumamit ng primer flawlessly. Minsan
Grabe
pa-patch pa
talaga.
din.
Hindi ko pinapagalitan pa ako nung nagtuturo sa'kin. Sabayan mo ako, sabayan mo ako. Kasi nasanay ako na kapag lalo na 'pag may mga events kami nila
Yeah.
Mami MK, may taga-makeup, eh. Parang
Okay.
may kasama kami na marunong mag-makeup. Kaya lagi ko lang sinasabi, "Uy, ako rin, pa-makeup ako, ganyan or paayos ako, Pero tama din kasi yung sinabi sa'kin na you need to learn din to yourself kasi it's not always na merong magba-backup sa'yo, eh, 'di ba?
True.
So, kaya siguro yun. At the same time, baka dahil hindi na ako nagdu-dwell sa stress. Puwede din. Puwede din, hindi ako sure kasi marami pa ring stress. Pero, um, ayun baka gano'n.
Katuwa. I
Oo.
really enjoyed our conversation. Ang
Yes.
dami ko na namang
Thank you,
natutunan
alam mo, Miss
today.
Daphne, sorry parang ngayon ko lang na-realize ang dami kong dada.
Ang kaya nga, eh.
Pero parang hindi ka nagsasalita.
This podcast is about you, not
Oo.
about me. So, I really appreciate that you shared your story. If I may ask, no, last
Okay, yes, yes.
na. If people want to find you, where? Nasaan ka?
Ah, sa bahay na lang. Ayan, so I'm actually active in Facebook,
Okay.
So that's where my platform is really is parang I'm still trying to really navigate yung separate.
Okay.
I'm still trying to do that, pero for now, I'm in Facebook. You can find me, Chini Carmela. Yun lang yung name ko dun sa Facebook. And I share everything relevant like yung sa events, sa freelancing ko, with my faith, my family. It's really like not technically an open book, but something na I know that what I share online is yung inspiring. Yeah. Something na a little bit sneak peek of me, but at the same time inspiring.
Yeah. And I hope you also inspire others more. Like, wag kang titigil to inspire others. Be just the bubbly person you are.
Thank you.
Continue to be happy, to have a positive outlook, and being the resilient Chini that you are. I wish you all the best sa new ventures mo and more to come. I'm excited kung ano pa yung mga next mong gagawin. Nanggugulat ka na lang.
Oo nga, tahimik lang, no?
And
Ayan.
may utang pa tayo na go-kart experience kay Chini.
Oo nga, oo.
Kailangan mag-bonding doon minsan.
Sabihan mo ako,
Yes.
ka sa Maple Creek.
Kikidnapin na lang.
Ay! Lagi na lang, nakikidnap na lang lagi.
Kaya nga. Thank you again for saying yes to this biglang episode. It
Yes.
took us a year.
Oo.
It took us a year to get here.
Yes.
But
Yes.
yeah, thank you so
It
much.
took a
I
lot
appreciate.
of confidence to say yes.
Thank you. I
Ayan.
appreciate you. May
Thank you.
Yay!
Thank you. Ayan, na-share ko tuloy
Yay!
yung buhay ko
O
sa iyo.
kaya nga eh. Thank you. Till the next
Ayan.
episode, guys.
Thank you, thank you.
If you like this episode, please hit the subscribe button or share this with a friend. I hope you were able to learn something new for today. And see you in the next one. Bye!